a request from a viewer last week to see if I would do a plasma cutout of a Willys Jeep. They've actually got a Willys Jeep and they've seen me and Rich at steam rallies before, and the lad wants to make a weather vane using the Willys Jeep as the seal. Anyway, I do eventually manage to download a picture and alter it and get one cut out, as you'll see in the video a little bit later on. That's had a light polish with a floppy wheel on a grinder. It's come out very nice. That's how I shot a 3mm plate. The lad wanted 2 but I didn't have any. It's cut the 3mm plate quite nicely. Decent finish. It's quite good detail as well for plasma. Nothing the matter with that. I'm sure I'll make an excellent weather vane. Right, this is the job I've got to do for Lee. You need something making to go in there just to line that chuck up in the centre of his rotating table. That and there'll be a Morse taper they normally are, and I've got a number 3 Morse taper here, adapter of something that fits in. I'll be able to use that. So that'll go in there, and then his chuck will go onto there. We need something making to line it up. So what I'll do, I'll machine it down to that level, turn it down to a diameter probably 10mm or even 12mm, whatever. I'll probably make a 12mm, and then I'll make a bush that drops onto there and is a good fit in the back of his chuck. You can also take the bush off and you can use that adapter I've made, which will have a centre drill mark in it, to put on anything else he wants. It'll be, like I said, 12mm pin, so you'll be able to use that to locate anything else in the centre of there. So we'll put a mark on there. We'll set this up. I'll probably machine it. In fact, I will machine it directly in the mandrel of the lathe, in the headstock of the lathe. Just mount it into a taper socket. I'm not sure what it was off. It was off some sort of face mill, I think. If I hadn't have found that in my drawer, I was just going to use a blunt number 3 Morse taper drill. Any big Morse taper drills I find at car boot sales or flea markets I buy just to use the Morse taper armour off the back, because they're quite soft. You can machine them. I'm not sure what this will machine like, but it shouldn't be too bad. That's definitely the taper. Make sure that's sitting in there nice, because I've got to rely totally on the taper grip of the Morse taper to drive it, which is what they're designed to do, so it shouldn't be a problem. quite soft. At least it's certainly machinable. We'll weekly fix the smoke. That really is nice material, that machine's very nice. I'm going to make this 13mm because I've got a 13mm reamer to make the adapter out of. .4 13.45 with that one. 0.2 of a cut. Right, this should take it to dead on 13mm. With that, the micrometer I get, the fanny's hair over 13, so we'll leave it at that. Just want to put a chamfer on that edge there and that edge there carefully. Get into there, I'm careful. All it needs. Right, so we can get it out of there now. I found a suitable bit of metal in the scrap bin. The hole in the chuck appears to be 30mm, dead on 30, so we need this turned out to 30. Tool's done well once again, working very nicely that, breaking the tips well, putting a good finish on it as well. Don't let me come to stand here. It's actually more than 30, just 30.18. 30.17. That's the sort of fit you need. That will go on there. Right, that's pretty good. It's 30.1 really. 30.1 with a micrometer. 30.1 with a vernier, so put a nice lead on it. Right, this is the 13mm reamer. There's a couple of things with reamers. You run them slow, you never run them backwards. This one drilled out to 12, I think it was 12.6, or at least in English equivalent drilled to 12.6. And it's just taking it out quite nicely. Put a little recess on there just to protect that shoulder, and that is absolutely the dog bollocks. That's really nice in there. Just the sort of fit we need. That's still going to come down a little bit, but not much. That's a good fit. John's happy with that. Right, now we need to part this off. Now we part this up under power, I think. I've got my hand on the clutch just in case, but it feels quite nice. It's been a nice material, I'm not quite sure what it is. I've got a friend who sells bar ends for us, and he only keeps material back in machine. My favourite TN8. And I've turned it round. All you need to do is I've chopped run the metal for some reason. And the chop one stripping and cleaning. We can be in the machine with a lot of brass, and as you can see it's full of brass, swarf, horrible. It normally runs within a few thou. Not perfect, but it's only better than that. The chances are it's all those bits of brass in there that are causing the problems. to try it together. So that drops into there, and then you can see you can use that centre to line his table up. It's a nice fit on there. And then his chuck goes onto there, and that's absolutely the dog's bollocks. That'll do for me. And he's 3 bolts in, then he's... And once this has been lined up and the 3 bolts are tight, you could turn it over and knock that out, which means you could get something down through the centre of the chuck if you needed to. Next weekend it'll be on the Saturday. I'm going to an exhibition in Manchester, the Manchester Model Engineering Exhibition. If anybody's there in the same way, I'll be there with Bob. Mike's going as well. If you see me, by all means come up and say hello. I'm not trying to be big-headed, but the amount of people that look at us and you can tell they recognise us and they just don't want to speak. I don't know why. I don't bite. I'd love to meet you. So if you're there, you see me, come and shake my hand. Be great to meet you. Right, once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and as always, a massive thanks for all well wishes that are coming in. Anyway, thanks for watching.